I'm about to build Fantasy Factory in this place. This area is gonna get small real quick. Bam! 7 more to go. There goes one. There's 8 more coming.
Yo, watch a dino on that side.
It's fine, it's fine. The guy knows what he's doing. You see how he got in here?
So the goal is to get
look
8 of these containers in this. 8 of these containers in this warehouse.
What was Rob Dyrdek's show called? Fantasy Factory. I'm about to build Fantasy Factory in this place. This area is gonna get small real quick. Woo! Bam! 7 more to go. Let's go. This one right? Now we close this. Oh, okay, cool. Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So we're at the new shop, and everybody's a little pissed off at me, but it's okay. So we're getting all the containers dropped off. I don't know if I told you guys this before, but instead of building this place out of wood and doing drywall and doing all that crap, which I don't believe in, because a couple years down the line, if we ever move out of here and we need to take all that stuff goes to waste. You got to knock it down and throw it away. So I had a different idea. I don't know if you guys have ever watched Fantasy Factory with Rob Dyrdek back in the day. They had a bad warehouse. Everything was built out of containers, and you know, you see these days people build houses out of containers, offices out of containers. So we're gonna build the whole inside of the shop, the offices, the fabrication department, the dyno room, so on, whatever it is. We're gonna build them all out of containers. My guys don't agree with me, some of them. They think I'm crazy, but once this place is done, it's gonna look bad. So we just went through hell getting the first container in. Now we got the system down. What we're gonna do is we got 7 more on the way. We gotta move all these containers, put them in their spot, and then we'll get our fabricators here, and we gotta start cutting, plasma cutting, tearing down walls, and building what my vision is and what I want out of this place. So hopefully I didn't screw everybody over and my idea works out pretty good. So stay tuned, watch us put this place together. It's gonna be freaking awesome. The other side's basically up and running. You guys have seen the machines and everything. So let's get this place going, and hopefully we're in here in the next 2 months, because I really want to get to work building some bad for you guys. Thank you.
The only way maybe you can do it is if you stack them first. Stack them somewhere over here, because we'll have more height,
then we move it.
And then we can pick it up from the bottom and then scoot it in. It's gonna be very sketchy though.
Ah, fuck!
If this pick this up, it'll move those dinos like that.
If those dinos weigh as much as you say they weigh, the load center is too far out to pick it up.
Oh, if you see what I picked up the dino with, you'll freaking have a heart attack.
It's good? No? No, no. Wait, let me see. Oh, man. Brand new paint. It's all right. We'll touch it up.
Hell yeah, that's 1. 4 more to go.
4 more to go. Damn. Oh, you surfing? Oh my God, what are you doing? Who's scratching your bed? Hey, that shit is slippery as. What is that, oil?
Bro, this oil, I tried to stop. I couldn't stop oil right there.
I hit the gas on purpose. Pretty active on the street today. Oh, time reduction. All right, we got 5 of the containers in, got 3 more on the way. So Danny and I are just trying to make sure we get everything sorted out so that once they come in, we can put them in place and get the ball rolling. So the plan is to stack up 2 containers. So we're gonna stack up 2 containers so that way we can have an office upstairs that overlooks the whole shop. Seems like Danny's saying with the measurement, it's gonna be perfect. Hopefully it is. Yeah, you're in. There you go. Forklift Pro at this point.
Gintani, we love to give our customers the Max D. Felt that?
Felt that. So what is that? We got 6 now?
Yep.
2 more to go?
2 more to go. Dos, dalawa, ut-ut, ututut, yargu, hosink.
Modification day here at Gintani 2.0.
All right, so we're pretty much cutting these shipping containers so we can make room for the fabrication area and also make a dirty room. So we got Christos here doing his magic, cutting up the walls of the shipping containers. Unfortunately, we're using a generator to power up our plasma blade. We just gotta make things happen.
Dang, drift.
There's your donuts
Sick
in the
drip
new warehouse.
donuts.
This guy grabbed it from the right side. Oh my god.
Alex, you know what you're doing or what? You know how to use this thing or what?
I don't think your eyes work.
Mom's eyes don't work either.
How?
Yeah, maybe middle would be a smart idea.
It came in desperately needing it to be tuned properly. Alex went ahead, spent some time, calibrated it. It's on an ESS supercharger kit, so it's got none of our hardware on there. He had to turn it down a bit because of the fuel and whatnot that it's on, but we've advised the customer to switch to a better supplier for his fuel. It's on an ESS supercharger kit, making around 6 to 7 pounds of boost, and that it put down well over 600 horsepower, I think closer to 7. Car runs great. Just get it off, put the under trays back on, get it washed, and let the customer know that he can come pick up the car and start beating the out of it.
What did you say?
In short, he's saying don't use cheap gas like USA gas.
Don't put cheap gas in your car unless it's E85, bro. It's a Lambo, bro.
I put diesel.
You put
E85 only, baby.
These turbos are way too big. They don't even fit, and I could already feel the lag. Laggy lag. Lag, lag, lag.
Bullshit! Obviously, you can't just slap the biggest turbo you can find on your car. Not every car is going to be able to spool a turbo like this efficiently, but with the size of the engine, the compression, the amount of exhaust gas this thing moves, it's not going to have a problem spooling these. So take it with a grain of salt when we do these things on these cars. Obviously, it doesn't apply to every car. Much bigger engine than average car. Even most 8 cylinders aren't even this big anymore. So do as we say, not as we do, because it's a different application and these cars are on another level than what you might be doing. So sorry if some people aren't able to wrap their head around that.
Oh my God!
that was crazy.
Yeah, it's gonna be a lot better when it's gone.
As nice as the systems are, it still takes a little bit of work to put them on. When you take them to your mechanics, make sure they're not someone that's gonna call us a million times and say that this stuff doesn't fit, because these are very tight clearances on these cars. And these are stuff that's made in the CNC machine, so I promise you that the measurements are not changing. If you just work with it a little bit, it'll fit properly and not leak.
Just gotta give some love, right?
Just a little bit of love. No big deal. Not telling you to destroy the exhaust putting it on. If it doesn't line up perfectly first try loosening everything and try to line it up one more time.
So Franco over here speaks zero English, so pretty hard to communicate sometimes, but we thank Google Translate for that, and also Carlos Translate that we have over there. Our other tech, Carlos.
Duolingo, hit us up.
Does a great job speaking to us, to Franco,
let me,
and getting our word across. Sometimes I walk up to Franco and I say something, and he looks at me and thinks I'm like, I've lost my mind or something. Sometimes I tell him like stuff like, hey Franco, el mucho grande tranco de elefante en mis pantalones.
Comentarios en español.
Sí. Gracias.
Yeah, we want to see some Spanish comments, dude.
So yeah, he wants to see some Spanish comments because that's what he reads.
Show Franco some love.
Yeah, show Franco some love. When we hired Franco, I looked at him, I was like, dude, I looked at the guys, I'm like, have you seen that movie Caveman? He looks just like Pauly Shore in that movie Caveman.
We's a little Jew.
Encino Man?
That's not, is it Encino Man?
Encino Man.
What? No, you're talking about the wrong movie, bro. No, you're wrong. It's Caveman, and it's Pauly Shore. I'll show you right now. Caveman, Pauly Shore. Yeah, bro, look.
See, I got it right.
What?
Encino Man.
It is Encino Man. I'm dumb. Look at this guy, bro. Right there. Look at this fool. There's one part in the movie where he's wearing this bandana. It looks just like this fool. We got Pauly Shore working at the shop, boys. Hey, what happened to the sign you guys had up there?
Danny took it off.
Good job, Danny.
I guess the sign's gone, but we'll show you guys what we're talking about if you didn't catch it on the last episode. So we need you to say something to the subscribers. It's not only me who's gonna do this. We're about to hit 100,000 subscribers, which is pretty cool. And once we hit 100,000, hopefully we can grow. This is not a joke, this is serious. Don't look at that guy. That guy's not serious at all. That guy's not serious at all. Thank you for following us. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for liking all our videos. What else you gotta say?
I'm not falling for this.
We're not doing
I'm
anything.
for sure getting set. What's this?
There is no setup, man. We're just trying to say thank you. They like you, so we thought you would say thank you.
Thank you
What else? For what?
for subscribing.
Want me to work it or not?
What are you working, bro?
I can make it go through.
You can make what go through?
The thing for the bank thing.
Oh, you're gonna make the money go through?
Yeah, I am.
You got a new accountant?
Yeah, it seems like it. We got some money locked up in Shopify and we're having problems with them putting it into the bank, which is getting really annoying. And little Miss Know-It-All over here thinks she could fix it.
I can fix it. Give
think
me,
you
give
can
me.
fix it.
Let me try.
You think she can fix it?
Just don't ruin anything. Why are there like key things on the side of your thing? Because
I thought you're a technology
Natalie.
professional.
Well,
I thought you could do it.
the heck?
What are you doing, bro?
Roblox?
What's Roblox?
Tell him what Roblox is.
It's a game, and you can play like a bunch of things. Do you
bunch
have
of
it?
what?
Can I
You
play
play
Roblox?
Dude, you went from trying to fix my accounting to playing Roblox. How does that work?
I don't know.
By the way, guys, there's Ernie. Say hi.
Welcome, Ernie.
He supports a bass shop.
Haven't given me a Gintani hat yet.
Oh, damn. That's
Hey, that's first thing.
all right, so what we got to do is we're going to get this guy a Gintani hat
And a shirt.
and a shirt and some underwear.
Oh, fire.
Yeah, underwear, Gintani underwear. That's nice. When you drop that down, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if you're into boys or girls or whatever, but they're going to be like, whoa, sick. Ernie's here. He just started. It's his first day, and we give him a $800,000 Aventador to work on his first day. Pretty stupid idea, but I think he's got it. You guys think? I think you guys.
Let's see.
I think he's got it. You guys
Let's
think
see,
he's got it?
Ernie.
Let this guy work. Tony, go back into your little dungeon and do your editing. Hey, those are mine.
You guys want to see a Gintani calendar?
Ooh, swimsuit
It's
edition.
a bunch of fat. All right, guys, we are so close to hitting 100K. I think we have less than 10,000 to go. So please do us a favor and hit that subscribe button.
Yeah, 60% of you who view our videos aren't subscribers.
After 100K, maybe we could blow up. We get to 200K, we buy another car. Then we buy NJ some new underwear or something.
Yeah,
Ross
I need new underwear. I need
but-
new socks too.
and new socks because he has holes in them.
MeUndies, hit us up.
Everybody go, subscribe, like, comment.
Our friend over here, Nick John, just got a new car. A brand new 2023 Toyota TRD off-road 4Runner. Premium, sorry.
Premium TRD.
Alex is paying for it.
And I'm paying for it. Yep, that's what you get. 13
All right, let's-
years of working at Gintani, and we get you a 4Runner, basically. That's what he wanted.
Hey, it's actually a sick
it's-
color.
Whoa! Fastest. Boy, still fastest. Oh no. Oh, dog on the loose.
Oh my god, you just got washed.
He's disgusting, right?
Oh my god.
Did you have fun? All right, guys. Thanks for viewing this week's episode.
This guy just ran outside and ran away and just screwed up our whole video. No more running outside.
All right, thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned for the next one.